We can expect even more of these lashing outs on CoinMarketCap from every direction now. The switch flipped accordingly following Judge Torres' verdict, which moved up the timetable. You can smell their fear, but from whom? We're about to find out in a few. Hello guys, and welcome to the Make Money Online channel once again. So guys, today's video is basically centered around some astounding price predictions for XRP. XRP's 2022, 2023, and 2028 price points are at cycle tops, as the experts predict a price of $1,250 before the end of that time frame. And they're taking a close look at other price predictions for XRP. We have this Twitter post that reads, $270 XRP price will happen. This is how. And heading over to the article referenced in the tweet from Digital Currency Channel describes XRP as digital gold, and it predicts the price of this Ripple asset to hit $270. We have this other piece from Coinpedia that reads, major twist in the Ripple SEC lawsuit. Will this filing slash XRP price by 25% this weekend? Scrolling a bit down, it says XRP price heads south, support levels at 58 cents a weight, as price slips below 62 cents. Moving on to other news in this space, just as Yuga Labs, the team behind the Bored Ape Yacht NFT collection, raises a whopping $285 million, releasing its latest collection, Other Side, clogging the Ethereum network. Incurring a cost of more than $176 million in fees alone, the crypto craze and virtual land rush happening in this app-centric metaverse project are currently hitting the skies. We now have this, NFTs recognized as property in the UK following OpenSea case. The High Court of the United Kingdom declared this week that NFTs constitute the property, and hence victims of NFT theft can now have their stolen assets frozen by court injunctions. This judgment was passed following the most recent and frequent trends in NFT thefts, with hackers exploiting the flaws and inadequate security literacy to seize these high-profile NFTs, especially with the famous Bored Ape Yacht collection being hacked during the week, resulting in the theft of an estimated $3 million in NFT assets. And now, back to Ripple and XRP. What do you guys think about the Ripple versus SEC lawsuit? My best guess is that it settles before Christmas this year, with Judge Annalisa Torres sua sponte, Latin for of one's own accord or voluntarily, used to indicate that a court has taken notice of an issue on its own motion without prompting or suggestion from either party, has accepted the earlier filed joint motion by the SEC and Ripple to move up the schedule for summary judgment briefs up until Tuesday, November 15th. Still contemplating whether or not to get involved with XRP, or whether it's the best cryptocurrency to put resources into as we move into 2022? Pursuing the ideal decision can be pretty challenging with such countless digital assets on the market. Well, no need to worry. We'll be clearing the fog on that in this article and offer a price prediction for XRP based on assumptions from popular chart analysts and crypto enthusiasts. I'll try to provide you with my opinions as unbiased as possible. So make sure you hit the like button, tap that notification bell, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Continue watching to see whether XRP could detonate before very long. According to Attorney Jeremy Hogan, for those of you guys who are new on this channel and don't know him, he is a proactive member of the Ripple community. He happens to also be a lawyer, a partner at Hogan and Hogan, and the official host of Legal Briefs. So this guy goes on to give his take regarding the Ripple versus SEC lawsuit being moved up sometime around November. How does this all connect to the price of Ripple reaching significant highs, maybe to $1,250, just as confirmed by some experts in the field? Let's take a quick look at this article from Coinpedia that says, major twist in the Ripple versus SEC lawsuit. Will this filing slash XRP price by 25% this weekend? And how does the lawsuit affect the price of XRP in the interim and, of course, on the long run? With the SEC filing a motion that affirms the attorney-client privilege in the Hinman speech, the XRP support level reaches the more excellent bottom as the support level at 58 cents duly awaits and the price of the Ripple asset slips below 62 cents. As the most significant legal battle in the cryptoverse, the Ripple versus SEC lawsuit has gotten even more intense, as it incites a more considerable pressure on the price of the asset class following the extension of the lawsuit. which has for more than 2 years now impeded the price of XRP. At the time of recording this, XRP was experiencing a significant pump as the rest of the market dipped even further. XRP to USD rate is currently pegged at 62.7 cents, according to data from CoinGecko, as the price of this digital asset has increased by 5.6% from its previous price of about 59.4 cents over the past day. And even though on a significant downward swing on the monthly time frame, as it's decreased by more than 24% throughout that time, from its 82.7 cents about a month ago, experts still predict an even more increased price value for XRP in the coming weeks, months, and even years. Although the volumes have risen significantly over the previous day, taking the numbers to over $1.5 billion, a spike in the selling pressure is likely to pull the price below the crucial support levels. While the 20-day exponential moving average has been sloping to the south, the relative strength index has been in the oversold region for quite some time now. So at this point, losing out steam from the current levels could essentially see the price of this digital asset dragging below the 60 cents margin to around 58.9 cents and later to the 55.2 cents or thereabout. But on the upside and in the long term, should XRP manage to construct its volumes, the price of XRP could surge upwards to its 20-day exponential moving average of about 71 cents. The cost will range from around 78 to 80 cents immediately after, with a slight uptrend. And suppose that trend should continue, with these famous chart analysts predicting a price pump of about $100,000 for Bitcoin, and should the SEC case come to a halt before the end of the year, in that case, we might be seeing XRP amassing some after gains after that, to the point that we might be having some price points around $1,250 for XRP before the end of 2028. Keep in mind that these are only my assumptions, bolstered of course by the expert predictions of these renowned chart analysts, hence should not be considered financial advice, and they don't reflect that. Therefore, as always, you're expected to do your due diligence before investing in these coins or any other digital asset. That said, you might want to take a look at this tweet from the Hossie. The SEC case has no effect on XRP price. XRP follows same price pattern as multiple coins across same time frame. XRP price will rise when the market does, regardless of the SEC case. Case is nothing more than a retail shakeout. And this one, from this crypto enthusiast who holds the following digital assets like XRP, Litecoin, ICP, Solo, Corium, Doge, physical gold, and silver, James Crypto 87 affirms that he expects a significant wick down or shakeout before. As he documents, the final shakeout will be the most rigorous for XRP hodlers who are yet to understand XRP's price action. We could expect a wick down to the 40 cents price level given this coin's historical analysis. However, this wick to about 40 cents is not likely to last long. Because in previous bull trends, here's when XRP started to hit significant highs. An $8 to $14 price for XRP is possible based on the technical analysis as seen on this chart, and these speculations by popular chart analysts. So, according to this guy, we could easily see a significant price pump for XRP between $8 and $14. However, should a settlement in the lawsuit be reached much sooner than later, which could introduce a paradigm shift that could see this asset trading at price margins never imagined by anyone in this space. To be honest, I do see XRP reaching more extraordinary highs, but for that to happen, the Ripple XRP chain would need to garner even greater engagement through mainstream adoption. And that wouldn't have been a problem since the platform already enjoys various accolades and partnerships from leading financial institutions and banks. However, the SEC lawsuit seems to be a significant impediment to that potential growth. My best guess is that an upward trajectory that could bring XRP closer to that price target is imminent. In the interim, we could see this digital asset reaching the $1.19 mark, should the buyers come in right after. In any case, we could see a bullish run towards $1.80 this year on the off chance that Ripple, at long last, settles its claim with the SEC. On the other hand, a near-term support level of 52 cents is logical, which could continue down to 40 cents. Any lousy update from the SEC will go against XRP's benefit and drag its price to a value of 19 cents by year-end. At least, that's what I think. But thank you for watching today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and as always, we'll see you in the next video.
perfect. That's how it goes when you're Hollywood perfect.